Students, last class we discussed about rational and irrational numbers, number lines also. Okay, today we will discuss about real numbers. Before going to real numbers, we will see still few problems in irrational numbers. Okay, see here in between 2 and 3, is there possible any irrational number? Means possible. For example, 2 should take as A. A is equal to 2. 3. B is equal to 3. Then we want in between 2 and 3 one irrational number is equal root AB. So is equal square root 2 into 3 is equal 2 3s are 6. So in between 2 and 3, root 6 is the one of the irrational number. Okay, like that only it is possible to take any two values. Already we explained in between two rational numbers so many rational numbers are possible. In between two irrational numbers so many irrational numbers are possible. We will see one more example now. Say 1 by 5 in between 1 by 5 in between 2 by 7 in between 1 by 5 2 by 7. Find any two irrational numbers. 1 by 5 for 1 with 5s are doing means 0.52s are 10, remainder 0. So 1 by 5 is equal 0.2 or 0.20. 2 by 7 with 7 are doing means for 2 0.2. 7 2s are 14, remainder 6. 7 8s are 56, remainder 4. Okay, 7 5s are 35, 7 5s are 35, like that coming. Okay, we'll stop here after decimal point 3 values, here after decimal point 2 values. So in between 1 by 5, in between 2 by 7, in between 1 by 5 and 2 by 7, irrational numbers are 1 by 5 value 0.20, 0.285. They are asking any two irrational numbers more than 0.20, less than 0.285. Not only two values, any values it is possible to take 0.213547 and so on. Okay, this is the number. Between means more than small number, less than big number. 0.24, 0.24, 0.2471, 0.247181 and so on. 0.257585 and so on. These all are irrational numbers. They ask you two numbers, not only two numbers, it is possible to write so many numbers. So in between two irrational numbers, so many numbers are possible to write. Okay, next same, we will see one more problem here. Find two irrational numbers. Find two irrational numbers between 5 by 7, 5 by 7, comma 7 by 9, 7 by 9. Okay, these are in between these two numbers, irrational numbers we will find. First of all, we will do with 7 jar. 7 7 jar 49, 1 decimal point. Here decimal point should keep. Okay, because of decimal point we are getting 0. 7 1 jar 7, remainder 3. 7 4 jar 28, so remainder 2. After decimal point we took 3 values. Okay, here also see 7 by 9, with 9 jar will do. Decimal point 9 7 jar 63, remainder 7. Again decimal point is there, we will keep 0. 9 7 jar 63, remainder same. Okay, in between 5 by 7, in between 5 by 7, in between 5 by 7 comma, in between 7 by 9, this is the value 0.714 and so on. This is the value 0.777 and so on. More than 714, less than 777. It is possible to take how many numbers you want, that many values you should take here. 0.724715 and so on. This is the value more than this value, less than this value. 0.754500 and so on. 0.76761515 and so on, like that. So many numbers are possible to take, okay, in between two irrational numbers. Okay, earlier we discussed natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers. Rational numbers are two types: terminating decimal, non-terminating, non-recurring. Next, irrational numbers. Now, real numbers means what? The symbol denoted by real numbers is R. The symbol denoted by real numbers is R. The combination of rational and irrational numbers are real numbers. The combination of rational numbers. The combination of rational number symbol, the rational number symbol Q, the symbol denoted by rational numbers Q, irrational numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers. The combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Real numbers. Okay. All the rational numbers are real numbers. All the irrational numbers are real numbers. But all real numbers are not rational numbers. All real numbers are not irrational number. For example, see, we will take one example here. 1 by 7 minus 2 by 7 0. Okay, 0. 1 by 7 is a rational number. This is a real number also. Minus 2 by 7 is a rational number. This is a real number also. 0 is a rational number. This is a real number also. But see here, root 7. Root 7 is a irrational number. Root 7 is a irrational number. This one real number also. So, rational number is a real number. Irrational number is a real number. But real number is not a rational number. Real number is not a irrational number. The symbol denoted by real number is R. Next, we will see few more examples. Already we discussed the same real numbers. 1 by 7 is a rational number. 2 by 7 is a rational number. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We have in mathematics 4 operations. We have 1 by 7 plus 2 by 7. First of all, we are seeing addition operation. These are like rational numbers. So 1 plus 2 is equal 3 by 7. The addition of rational numbers is a rational number. 1 plus 2, 3 by 7. 1 by 7 is a rational number. 2 by 7 is a rational number. And their addition also rational number only. Next, subtraction. 1 by 7 is a rational number. 2 by 7 is a rational number. Their subtraction. So see here, like fraction, no need LCM, no need cross multiplication. Just in this both numerators, big number to small number subtraction should do. The symbol is big number symbol minus 1 by 7. Coming number also rational number only. Addition of rational number is rational number. Subtraction of rational number is rational number. And next, multiplication. 1 by 7 into 2 by 7 is equal 1, 2. There possible cancellation? No, not possible. Why can here for you 7 saying, but don't do cancellation. Any numerator, any denominator only possible cancellation. Okay, don't do here 7 cancellation. Why? Because both are denominators only. Cancellation means any numerator, any denominator only should do. So 1 2s are 2 by 7 7s are 49. Multiplication of 1 by 7 is a rational number, 2 by 7 is a rational number. Their product also, their multiplication also, 2 by 14 is a rational number. Next, division of a rational number. 1 by 7 divided by 2 by 7. 1 by 7 divided by 2 by 7 is equal 1 by 7. Instead of division, what should do? Multiplication should take. And its reciprocal will be 2 by 7 reciprocal 7 by 2. Now possible cancellation? Yes, possible. Why? Because you have one numerator, one denominator, possible cancellation. So here 7 went to 7 1 jar, 7 1 jar, 1 1 jar, 1 by 1 2 jar, 2. 1 by 7 is a rational number, 2 by 7 is a rational number, their division also rational number only. So all the rational numbers, all this operation, addition also, subtraction also, multiplication also, division also, all are rational numbers only. We will see like that only. Irrational numbers, same operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, irrational numbers. So we are taking now. Same 2 plus root 3. This is a irrational number. 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. We are taking 2 plus root 3 is a irrational number. 2 minus root 3 is a irrational number. Their addition means 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. Here possible cancellation ma. Minus 3 minus root 3 plus root 3 went to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 nothing but 4 by 1 means rational number. Means 2 plus root 3 is a irrational number. 2 minus root 3 is a irrational number. Their addition Maybe may not be a irrational number. Maybe may not be irrational number. May be rational, may be irrational. Why? Because now we got rational number. Their subtraction, once we will see, their subtraction 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3 is a irrational number. Minus 2 minus root 3. Plus 2 minus 2 when 2 plus root 3 minus root 3 when 2 for us came 0. Means their subtraction. Irrational numbers subtraction 0 came. 0 is a rational number. Means maybe may not be. Irrational numbers number line may be rational, may be irrational. 2 root 5 into root 5. 2 root 5 is a irrational number. 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Root 5 is an irrational number. Their product. Okay. Root 5 into root 5 whole square. 2 into root 5 whole square. Square root 2 cancel. So 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 10 is a rational number. So irrational numbers multiplication maybe may not be a irrational number. Next 2 root 5 divided by root 5. 2 root 5 divided by root 5. See 2 root 5 by root 5. Here possible cancellation, it is possible to do any numerator, any denominator. Root 5 and 2 for us came 2. 2 is a rational number, means irrational numbers, addition or subtraction, multiplication, division. Compulsory, no need to say irrational number only. Maybe, may not be a irrational number. Okay. We will stop here. We will continue next class about magnifying glass.